Alright, so if you don't know me, follow me. Instagram, Facebook, fucking YouTube, coming soon. So I built this car like 7-8 years ago. Was supercharged, had a GSR, blah blah blah. I'll make a whole video on my car one day. But yeah, about me, I'll tell you that much. So we're on the way to Emilio's shop. Grab this Danny. I bought a turbo kit from Wheel Autos. It's been sitting for a while. Time to put her in the game. Guess let's see what happens. All right, back in the lab at the DFab. Fab dish. What we got going on over here, bro?
Taping up the spots where people's keys and knives are gonna hit.
Okay, okay.
Just in case.
Okay, we got Mikey walking in.
What's up?
So what's up, bro?
We live.
We
All the way
live.
live. Okay.
Got Magic Mike here.
It's been a long time coming. Actually, it's just been sitting. That's all it is, just been sitting. Not a long time coming, just been sitting.
It started right up with a couple of that one push.
Yeah, and that was my first time driving in a while. We're gonna get the headers off. We're gonna get pretty much everything off for intercooler piping. Mount the manifold on. Test fit everything. Shout out to Greg. Go Auto. Hooked me up. Bless me. Thank you. On the whole kit.
This is it right here.
That's it. Yeah, I know. That's it.
MVP.
Hold on.
This is it.
This is race status, y'all. You don't
Can't
even
get
know.
that.
You don't even know. That's that quick release. We got Ricky's car in the background. Got to get a full cage done. All right, let's see what happens.
That old Camaro right there.
Mero. We got Mikey over there
That shit's hard.
taking off the headers.
That shit is
By the way,
hot.
these are
Look
PLM
at that.
V2s for sale if anybody wants them.
I don't know.
DFab,
I see
checking
Mike
out my
riding around
IG.
That bitch a lot. That bitch is nice.
What's up, bro?
How we doing?
You all right?
Oh, absolutely not.
Open those eyes, man.
I'm a little tired.
You tired?
Yeah.
Long nights, bro. Long nights.
You know, allergies.
We're making progress. That boy is zooming.
Hey. I heard something over here.
Boys, stacking up the car. Safety first. Oh, I slipped a little bit. Are we good?
We good. Just when he comes down.
Oh, you got a smaller jack? Is that the only jack you got?
Jackson?
Yeah.
She needs to go up a
Ready?
little more, but it's gonna catch the side skirt.
Oh, he got another.
Got the car jacked up, bumper off.
And
Doggies.
17 ratchet. You got 17
Oh shit! What was that? Another big left.
Mikey taking off the headers. I got exhaust too, so that has to come off. Well, not all the way off. We just gotta unbolt it because Dan's gonna fab. I'm keeping exhaust.
Is that 22?
You got a 22, Dan.
How we going out here, Mike?
Chilling.
Chilling.
Just let me get the tool myself.
He's like, let me get the tool myself.
I'll be back. Hold that. Hey, not a
Alright, so we got the headers are pretty much off, all the bolts are loose. Then just gotta separate it from my exhaust.
sir.
Yeah. It's always the last one, huh? Get the last one off. And we're gonna throw on the manifold and get everything mocked up. Whoa, look at this guy, man. He won't stop. He just won't stop, you little hornball. Whoa, 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 whoa. PG-13. Viking always conquers. My dog got it out. Yeah.
Alright, all I gotta do is spit on that shit. Come on. We'll go back in.
So what's next, guys? Minty PLM V2 headers. For sale. Hit me up. No dents, no scratches, none. Barely just started turning color.
Buy that shit right now.
For the right price.
What's up?
What's the right price, Mikey? You can take it home right now for the right price,
I
bro.
ain't going home, bro.
Well, you know, next door.
I don't need to be buying this shit.
We're gonna work something out.
I know. You need a fucking someone to record.
I
dog.
need somebody to record.
That's a
I
whole
know.
nother job in itself.
Exactly. So what are we doing now? You need the
bolt turbo on, bolt the gate on,
All right. So
Some
the turbo
measurements.
is right there.
and get to fabbing.
The turbo's right here, but I don't have the gasket.
Okay.
Looks sexy, by the
Still
way.
bolt it on to do some fab work. Order the gasket.
True that. Unless Tyler might have one next door. We know he's not
Pretty
there.
sure this guy has a gasket somewhere. There might be a gasket in there.
Tyler has. You know what? There should have been a gasket, but I think Greg forgot to put it back in when he did the promo video. Hey.
It's dirty though.
It's alright.
It's the only beer in this whole shop, so
That's it.
we got these little teaser cups.
That's it.
Look at that, pick one.
Starting to look. Come on, let me zoom, focus. Yep. Looking good. Have to get rid of this. What got going on, Margie?
Junior.
You got your fittings for the oil and stuff?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Down day.
I got the Go Auto Works T3 T4 complete oil line kit. Want to open this up and see what's in there. Go Auto Works combo kit Greg put together. That's for the turbo?
Yeah.
Nice. So we're just missing the gasket unless the gasket's in the box.
We need the oil fitting pool. The cap's right there.
The oil fittings right here. Oil kit.
Man, we dropped a bunch of fucking
Penises on there. No, that's my original idea, dog. And I even sent a set of valve covers off to get it done, and I never saw the valve covers.
What is it? Kano?
You have the doctor.
Is it Kano?
No,
Oh, I was gonna say, well, he was about to do it earlier. Then something happened.
my shit wasn't laser though. That shit wasn't around, I guess. It was just like a hydro dip or water,
Oh, yeah,
whatever it
hydro
is.
dip.
Just a bunch of dicks and just do it to my valve
Oh,
cover.
that's pretty nice.
And my dad's like, oh, my boy just started some shit and he can get it done. Here's valve covers. Never seen him again.
Never seen him again. We're gonna have to do mine too. We're gonna have to do my valve cover. I'm not sure what I want to put. What do you want?
Put a bunch of dicks.
Put a bunch of dicks?
Yeah.
Why, bro?
All shapes and sizes.
All shapes and sizes. Is that what you like?
You know, what's that
Hey,
movie?
yo.
Is that what you like?
What's that one movie with
Don't be taking
Jonah Hill or whatever that dude is? That won't come. He's like, I just can't stop thinking about it.
Fucking
Everywhere I
super
go, I
bad.
just
You're gonna
How
have
you
to
not
make
know
me
the
cut
fucking
this
name?
out, man. You're gonna have to make me cut this out now, man. Come
Bad,
on,
nigga. I do
bro.
not know the name of that.
Come on, man.
Come on now.
Alright, so we're getting the turbo put or set up to mount to the manifold.
You trying to take me out, Captain America?
This is a Precision 6262 journal bearing billet. By the way,
Not drain the oil, take the old pan off, cuz.
That's a big
I
house.
know well. Let's go.
That's Danny's first job. Look.
What's that? Oh, we gotta get the
Mark where it goes.
return line and the feed loaded on. Yep, we got the man.
You can weld it yourself.
You know what? I could weld it myself, but I'm not going to, cause we're a team.
But that's pretty much where it's gonna go. You gotta mess with your harness.
Oh, yeah, that's nothing. Yeah, I just zip tied it right there because I was trying to keep it nice and clean, but we can take that off. Nice. We're about getting ready to test fit the turbo right up after I figure this out real quick. Alright.
Where it has to be at.
So what are you explaining this to me now?
Man. Nah, I said that was free game. Now it's charged by the hour.
Oh, okay. You just gave me some free knowledge I was gonna let y'all know, but you know, I guess it's G14 classified.
Free, though.
G14 classified, guys. Sorry.
Within a half a Q.
Yep. It's looking good. What you got going on, bro? What are we putting together? The V-bands?
Yeah.
Do you know what color springs or what? 46 from Go Auto, PTE. Put the blue one in there? What is that? How many pounds is that? It's been a while. 7? Nah, bro. We need like 12 pounds of boost. At least. Fuck it. We're just gonna send it.
Put them both in.
Both in? Wide open. We're gonna do like Jamie. But it went viral, so he's gonna get paid off of that. Jamie, you seen that? So what going on here, Danny?
How you doing? We're making some brackets.
Making some brackets for the Teggy, huh?
Yes, sir.
For the intercooler.
Oh!
Headshot.
Got him. What are you doing?
Just trying to see what you got going on, bro. I'm trying to learn this. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Chill.
Got on that. What are we doing now, sir?
Load the table.
So we got the CAD file done. Dan hooked me up. We're not half-assing anything.
You got a brand new sheet of metal.
Pulled out a brand new sheet of metal for me. We're gonna make some brackets for my intercooler with this fancy dancy Shop Saber. Not sponsored, but we need some sponsors. What's up? Holler. Actually, this is my second. This will be my second time seeing something laser cut. Yeah. So, Dan the man. Fab this, fab that. My dude made a whole CAD file for my intercooler brackets.
step back. It's gonna
Okay.
lose sparks
Yep.
on you.
We need Top Saber to sponsor us too, by the way. Made in the USA. Sidekick, hey. Alright. What are we doing, Mark?
The worst thing ever, dog. Shit is the fucking worst.
Pressing in the fittings.
Definitely the worst invention ever.
You seen the new ones? They're like airbag coupler type deal.
Airbag couplers?
Well, they're made for that, but they literally just slide on and then boop, that's it. Get her done. Yes, sir. Whatever works, right? Yes. We're making progress. So, Mikey's been wanting my headers, right? And I haven't seen him in a very long time. He decided to help me. So, I think I'm gonna bless him with these headers. They're literally brand new still. Look, when I told people that I literally have maybe like 2,000 miles on my whole car, nobody believed me. You can still see the original coating on the headers. It hasn't even turned color all the way yet, but guess what? I'm about to bless my boy right now with these because I know he wants them. And these are hard to get right now. I mean, period. And these are PLM V2 headers. Bought them brand new. Got these bitches sold, bro.
Yeah, how much?
600.
No way.
Yes.
What?
No, I'm just kidding, bro.
Damn, dog.
This for you, bro.
For real?
Dead ass serious, dog. Dead ass serious.
Okay.
Oh man, I appreciate it, bro.
Look at that. Uh-oh.
Go ahead, you can put that down, man.
Nah.
I appreciate the help, bro. You know what I'm saying? You didn't have to do none of that shit for me, bro.
I did it. I know. I like to do shit like that.
That's all you, bro.
Hey, overnight double K. I promise you that.
Yes, sir. All right, so what we got going on, Dan?
I was cutting your intercooler brackets. Fun. You ready?
Yeah, let's go. So I need intercooler brackets made, but instead of him just making, some L brackets, he's actually gonna make me one off bracket. Using a Shop Saber, not sponsored, but I think we should be. Made in the USA. This is the first run, so we're gonna see how it works. Hopefully it works good. And it's let me see. It is currently 4:25 in the morning in Florida. So I'm slurring a little bit because I'm tired, very tired and hungry. I'm not sure what's going on right now, but okay, so these two holes will go into my intercooler, and this will go to the bumper support. One down, another one to go. What we got going on down here, Mike?
Turn line action.
The return line.
There.
What you think? What do you think? How it looks underneath here?
All right. A little dirty.
A little dirty? Just a little bit?
My bad. I forgot to change the oil. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's alright.
We good?
I haven't changed the oil in like 5 years.
Good. That shit's overrated, though. Real talk.
But then again, like I said, I only got maybe
No,
like
honestly-
2,000 miles on this car.
Alright. Pass me an open.
Oil pan? Right?
Yes, sir.
So we're trying to get it mocked up for.
Just gotta go right above the rim there. Still.
We're trying to get it lined up to drill and weld on the bong. Bong, whatever you want to call it.
Right there. Perfect. Alright. There you go.
Alright.
Here you go.
Get back once it's drilled.